Hello and welcome back everyone. This is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. So let's discuss Euro US dollar and gold US dollar today. Right here, first of all, I would like to discuss gold US dollar, and I am closely observing this instrument, right? So first of all, before starting the session, I want to tell you that this is sort of like a casual video, you can say, because I'm almost like the market is about to close the NY session and it's almost like midnight, so 12:19 a.m. So I'm recording the video, then upload, like editing it will take a lot of the time, so please bear with me for any mistakes, right? So yeah, gold US dollar, I already discussed it in the previous video. You can find the link in the iCard above, but this video is going to be super special, and why it is super special, because I am going to give, or I'm going to share a setup or concept right here today, that anyone who follows, any person, any trader who follows that, at least will be having some edge, right? So yeah, not some edge, but I should say any strategy is like, pick any strategy without this concept is incomplete. Okay, so every beginner traders, aspiring traders, and a trader who is currently involved in trading must listen to me very carefully. Okay, now first of all, gold US dollar, this is like a complete range right here, but what I'm discussing is a bit different from this as well. At the end I will give you a little analysis right here, or maybe if you stay with me till the end, you will get the analysis yourself and my opinion as well. So but I just don't want to tease around with this one, and I want to open a fresh chart right here. So let's see, where is that? Metals. Okay, pardon me and sorry if got a bit delayed. I have already told you the reason, because I don't have time to edit this, so I want to be casual, so there is no mistake, nothing, and I explain whatever I have in my mind regarding the market. Okay, oh, this is black. No, yes, this is fine. Let me just hide the volume. I don't like reading them, it distracts me from trading. Okay, so two things, and let's talk about those two things. Two scenarios, two mindsets I will be explaining today. Okay, let's read everything and pay very close attention. The first scenario is, you know how I find my support in the resistance levels. You already know, I made videos about it, but let me do it again. Here you see, sellers failed, market took over, so this is now my support. Simple. Right here on the monthly, I don't see any selling signs. Signs of selling is missing on the monthly. Why? Where is the selling candle? There is nothing. So from myself, I cannot say that, yeah, this is my resistance. This is not a resistance at all on the monthly time frame. Now my friends, pay very close attention when I say monthly time frame. Okay, this is super important. Monthly time frame. So on a monthly time frame, I cannot say this is my resistance zone. Right here I am just assuming, right, assuming from myself that okay, this is a resistance zone, but this is not a resistance zone. In order for it to be a resistance zone, I need some failure of this of the bulls. Here the bulls are successful, still this month is holding bullish. So from myself, I cannot say that this is a resistance. Okay, but let it be, this is not a resistance. So remember, when we have no resistance on the monthly time frame, There is no resistance on the monthly, but obviously we have it on the weekly. What I did is I did two things. Number one is I found the support from the monthly time frame. Second thing what I did is I like where the market is, I just drew a line at its highest point on a monthly, this one, without any resistance. So now I am on a weekly time frame, and on a weekly time frame I can say, yeah, okay, here this rally, when it was going very nicely bullish, it at least took a pause. Then I say, oh, it's okay, I don't need monthly resistance. What I'm going to do with that? Nothing. What I need is just a higher point. Just like on this weekly we have got a resistance, so things start to get more easy, right? Now on the daily, my friends, I'm giving you this concept. I'm coming to this concept. See, this market started on this pattern. For complete beginners I will make a video as well, but I think they should understand. But my pen is, the pen is right here with me, but the USB cable is not working well. Anyways, so okay, very fantastic double bottom right here. Don't we say that when the market, like you must have heard me saying it, when the market is straight going up and when it start to come back down or try to take a pullback, what I usually do in that situation is I consider this as A to B. Okay, and as this particular plan, there is a 61.8% retracement as this at a price point of 29.34 for now. Later we can adjust it a little bit. Now in my strategy I say one more thing. When you try to become a seller, try to become a seller when you get enough divergence, enough clues. When we got this double top up there, see, wasn't this a good sell sign? It was. Now if we see right here, till now so far this is a double top, this whole, okay, this whole is a double top in my strategy. Okay, I'm not sure about others how they take it. This is a double top, and I already predicted this when the market was taking a rejection from right here. I said it will either complete this A to B from here till way up there 36 63 33 36 60 somewhere. Either it will go straight up there or it will create a double top. So I see plenty of divergence on the daily time frame right here. Now here is that thing which I want you to focus on. Two mindsets. This is mindset number one. Mindset number one suggests us that there is a divergence and there is a double top up there, and the double top is validated as well. We have seen 1 2 3 4 candles down, 4 candles down. So it says, okay, hold a sell position with this much SL and target this much long term, 29.34 and 31.60 approximately. These will be the take profit areas on a daily. Now I want to show you the other image, and after that you will understand what I want to ask you. Just have a look at it. Isn't this an A to B leg? It is. I just defined it on the daily time frame. I just did it. See, from here around this 29.40 approximately till this recent high. This. Then we were looking for 3160 if you remember, right? So as per this plan, this is going bullish on the H4. How on the H4? Let me, for that we have to study this whole rally, that after all, okay, if the market is going up, how is it going up? Is it created some sort of a trend line or something so that I can focus on? Well, yes, from right here it did. So shall I consider this as an impulsive wave or not? For that I have to, don't get bored, for that I have to study this rally. Started from here, a correction of 61.8% retracement, a rally, and ABCD pattern completion. Straight away I'm going to highlight this area. Wow, so I say okay, on the H4 there is something happening right here. On the H4, and I also predicted and analyzed this ABCD pattern as well. This one you will remember. Oops, okay, and this is completed. So well, I should say yes, we can assume this as a impulsive leg, but for now not this whole, okay, not this as a whole, or we can also consider this as a whole impulsive wave as well, like this. See, market break above, market took a retest, another retest, another retest, and obviously it has to go up then after so many retests, right? So this is now completed, and my point of concern is the second thing that I want you to focus on is there are two things. Number one is this 33.49 right now, where the market is standing right now. It is showing me bullish. Are you getting me? It is showing me bullish because if this plan completes, it will be suggesting this. So we can, in forex trading, remember my friends, we cannot take things for granted. On the H4 the situation is this, right? Sorry about too many drawings, okay, but I'm used to it. This is my life, okay, I'm used to it. I am against too many indicators, right? Or maybe next time I will try to separate the daily and the H4 from each other. So on the H4 it is showing us bullish sign, see, and on a daily it is already in a sell. On a daily it is on a sell towards 32.66, and on the H4 for now it is buy, but both of them cannot win. So my friend, if someone want to further study this, for that I have to open an H1 chart. I just want to open up your brains, because then I know most of the traders take bad decisions. Oops, I was about to drop my phone. Okay, so and if we want to study this further, what we have to do is we have to go to the H1. If you want to be successful, just understand and learn this concept as the way I am showing you. Now here is a practical thing. I also want to just lighten up my mood a little bit, because when I read this chart, oh my god, my mind get tired. Anyways, 1 hour chart, okay. I just want to show you something, that these things exist and people are using it on regular basis. This is us, the retail traders, who are not aware of these things, that okay, these things also exist, but they do exist. Okay, so this is gold. Let me apply a template. Oh, moving averages I used to um, I started with the moving averages. That's what I want to say. In the H4 I have to run all of those things what I was saying. Yeah, this thing. Just pay close attention on the H1. You see, this is an impulsive wave. This is a 61.8% retracement. See, this followed by a very fantastic correction. Nice. And as per this correction, the market is suggesting us a further bullish wave as this. And if I see it on the trend line, it will be looking as this. And even if I create a channel out of this, it will also be showing me this on the H1, H4. Now how do I look at it on the H1? On the H1 we already say that okay, we have got a very strong support from the H4. Isn't this a strong support on the H4? It is. Indeed it is. See. So how about it on the H1? Well, yes, indeed, this is a very fantastic and strong support. Right here, when the traders heard about the interest rate decision, they started to manipulate the market and like not moving much. So this is like the fear, that fearful people who are leaving their positions too early, like right? They didn't wait it for the high on this time frame. So 33.47 is going to be a super strong level for us. And obviously if this is an impulsive wave and this is its correction, then this is our TP zone. This. Now this level can be used for a sell, taking some sell opportunities right here. Maybe if we can get a double bottom right here, we can continue looking bullish towards that. Though the buying is in my opinion a bit risky at the same time, but one must have to take some risk. I have discussed both of the sells as well. This is the first image I have discussed on the daily as a seller, on a H4 and H1 as a bull. But there comes in a midpoint, and that midpoint is 34.11.52, approximately this zone. Now I don't want to confuse you any further. My intention is not to confuse anyone, but to let them know that these are different time frames and you have to see them differently, then combine everything together and make a conclusion. This is what I want. And when you do it this way, ultimately you will become successful, because now I know that okay, I have to take a risk of 308 pips to generate 536 pips, around 350 pips of a stop loss, and around 500 pips of a take profit. This is one mindset. The other mindset can say on the H1, okay, let me do it on the here. On the H1, if someone say okay, we can also look for some trade opportunity right here. When this market go up there, this market is going up there 34.11, so when it go there, By then it will also be an impulsive leg, so anyone who is looking for a sell opportunity upon confirmation can target 3378, right? So I don't want to go further, but I just want to let you focus on this. On the H4 this is showing this, on the daily there is showing that double triple top I should say, with divergence for a sell. But there is one big difference. This is for short term. Say someone is looking for 1 week or 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks till here, or maybe 2-3 days it can happen. And that daily one is having also a very bigger stop loss, a bigger take profit, but a lot of time we don't know when that happens. So who will pick what? The H4 these days is nice, the H4. But just in case if this SL hit, no blind selling, okay? Then the market has to go, let's suppose if it break here, because the daily time frame is suggesting a sell, so this sell is going to be a 61.8% retracement. This, and it comes 3241, right? So 3246 approximately. If it breaks here, then retest here, then this will be a separate trading opportunity of around 1000 pips. So this way we have to look at the market. I gave you two pictures. Try to watch this video again if you didn't understand, right? Now the analysis, yes, I think you have got the analysis, so I don't need to discuss this. Okay, trend line we have discussed, double top, divergence, everything I discussed in this video, and more to come. Okay, more to come on this channel. Same on the euro dollar. First let's see, what did I say back at the start of the year? This and this. Now my friends, let's say after spending 9 years of trading in the market, and this market was dropping from 1st of July 2023 till this recent 2025 early January. So in this much time, in my 9 years of experience, I get such things, such 61.8, and then I say okay, can be followed. And right now if someone asks me is it going bullish or bearish, I say it is going bullish, but this is not the right place to take a buy. Okay, and the analysis that I just did on the gold US dollar, I don't do it on the euro US dollar, because my mind get completely puzzled when I, not puzzled I should say, but tired I should say. In the earlier stages my mind gets used to puzzle. Then I discovered and I knew that okay, you have to separately look at different time frames and then combine all of them together and make a conclusion. So I hope my friends you like this video, right? And let's see what market further brings to us. So more educational content is about to be uploaded, but try to give me some feedback on these videos. Okay, I mind these things. My channel from the start was very different from others. In the middle I don't know what happened. Maybe I focused on trading more and then forgot the analysis part nicely. So yeah, let's see, give me feedback so that I come back, my analysis come back alive I should say. The lively person that is inside me, it should come alive once again, right? So thank you so much and take a lot of care of yourself. And yes, this is my WhatsApp number, you can just find it in the description below. If you need to contact me for the mentorships, maybe I don't encourage anyone to get mentorships and signals, but just in case if someone is not making it in 2 years or 3 years, then yes, if you contact me, it will be a very good decision for you. Otherwise just forget trading, do something else in your life, or wait for my upcoming videos, right? You will get to know the unanswered questions. Okay, The questions that you have got no answers in your life, that's what you are going to get on my channel. Take a lot of care of yourself. I'm going straight to bed. Goodbye.